Okay, so off camera, what I did is I backed up a little bit on the orange and did a lighter shade of orange. And my best friend, happened to call me while I was doing this, so I sent him some pictures, and he said, "Don't touch it. Don't touch the thing. Leave it just the way it is. It's awesome." And it, like I said, it'll look even better with the clear. Of course, I got the string that I had holding it up right there. You can see a little mark there, but that should wipe off once it's dry, and so I won't smear it. And then he goes, "You know what? You got to sign it. You got to put your thumbprint on the back." So, and he goes, "Oh, it looks like a little face right there." So I put 2 different colors there, thumbprint. That's my signature on there. And yeah, there we go. Ta-da! And I made off camera, I made this one mistake. I'm not going to show you where, but it's a good thing I watched Bob Ross, because otherwise I would have thought I made a real mistake. But no, I just made a happy discovery or something like that, like he'd say, you know. Okay, so anyway, that is the TrueFire, the cheap way that I do it, and it'll look good with the clear. You'll see it in the next videos. And my buddy said that I need to put a little splash of fire up on the headstock, just kind of mask off the BC Rich logo. And so I'm going to consider doing that real strongly. And you'll see the video of us scalloping the neck and putting it together. I'm still waiting for some parts to come in. It's going to have a brass nut, and I got another bridge coming, because, oh, you should have seen it. They had a stick going across right here, and some lame, well, I guess not lame, it all depends on the guitar that it's on, but a claw type bridge here, not bridge, the tailstock, where you'd hook the strings into. It was terrible, but yeah, they had a piece of wood going across here, and then they had the neck tilted in, because the way the strings were going, they weren't tall enough to go down the neck, and so they tilted the neck back so that way it would the strings wouldn't bottom out on the neck. So anyway, that's the kind of shape this guitar was in. It's gonna be brought back to life, and it's all gonna be great. All right. I'll see you next video.